today, we are going to learn about farm animals. I see farm animals and baby. Is horse a farm animal? Yes. Can you say Ned? Can you nod? Yes. 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 Can you say horse? Horse. Horse. Can you tell me? Can you tell Mama the sounds of the horse? What does the horse say? Neigh. Neigh. Can we count the horses? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 horses. Good job. Close eyes. Where's the eyes? Are you feeding horse? Oh, are you cleaning the horse face? Good job. Can we make a pattern? Tractor, horse, tractor, horse. What is the next? Good job. Can you say farm animal with me? Farm animals. Okay. And she have a caterpillar. Okay, say dog. Oh, wait. Let's do like this. Can you tell me what is this? That's correct. It's a turtle. 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 Good job. What is this? Can you tell me what is this? Yes. It's a dog. 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 What is the dog say? That's correct. Woof, 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 woof. Woof, woof. Let's feed the pig. Pig, oink, oink, oink. You can say, eat pig. Eat pig. Eat. Yum, 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 yum. Eat. Eat pig. Pa, 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 pa. Pig. Pig. What does a pig say? Oink, oink. Eat pig. Feeding pig. Feeding pig. A pizza. Is pig eat pizza? No. Pig don't eat pizza. Pig eat apple. Say apple. Apple. Pizza? No. Pig don't eat pizza. A pig don't eat pizza. Can you say yum, 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 yum. Feeding pig. Good job. Good job, baby. Good job feeding pig. Good job. I think pig is so hungry. Hungry pig. Hungry. Oh, I think pig is so full. All done. All done. So can you say all done eating? All done. What about water? Can we give pig a water? Drink water, pig. Where is the water? No, good job, drinking pig. Is pig drink water? Yes. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All done. All done eating and drinking. All done. And nom 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 nom. Hi, beautiful babies. What is this? Can you tell me what is this? Can you tell Mama what is this? A whale. Wah, 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 whale. Good job. What about this one, beautiful friend? Can you tell me what is this? That's correct. It's a pig. 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 Can you pretend like a pig? Good job. Good job, friends. Can you tell Mama what is this? A cow. What is the cow say? Can you tell Mama what is the cow say? Moo. Moo. Good job, mooing. Good job. Can you tell me what is this, friends? That's correct. A ladybug. 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 I see birds. Can you tell me what is this, friend? Good job! It's a duck. 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 Can you quack like a duck? Quack, 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 quack. Duck. Duck. Can you tell me what is this, friend? What is this? That's correct. It's a tiger. Can you roar like a tiger? Roar! Oh, sorry for scaring you. You scared me? I'm sorry. Can you roar like a tiger again? Roar! Oh, Mama scares you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What is the color of the tiger? Friend, can you tell me what is the color of the tiger, please? What is the color of the tiger? Orange. Orange. Good job. Can you tell me what is this, friend? That's correct. It's a brown bear. Can you say bear? Bear. What is this, baby?
Bear.
Bear. What does the bear say? Roar. Can you please help me to put all the animals in the board? Oh, what is this? A sheep. What does the sheep say? Ba. Oh. Oh, what is the color of the barn? Red. Red barn on. Tractor. What is the color of the tractor? Green. What else, friend? Oh, what's that? What does the pig say? Oink, oink. Good job. Good job, baby. Good job. Need help? Mama, help. Help. Oh, what's that? A hen. Where is the hen goes? Find the hen. No? Is that the hen? Yes. Can you nod yes? Yes. Good job. Hen on. What else? Oh, a duck. What is the duck say? What is the color of your duck?
Yellow.
Yellow. Good job. Good job. And what is the next? Oh, what is that? A cow. What is the cow say?
Moo.
Moo. Good job.
Grandma.
A grandma. Of course, grandma is in the farm cooking lots of delicious food. Who's that?
Papa.
Papa. Papa. Good job, Papa. What else?
Flower.
Flowers. Smell beautiful flowers. Uh-oh, Mama fix it. What else? A bee. Can you buzz like a bee? Bzzz. What is the next? A horse. What is the horse say? Nay. What else? Are you looking for this? Yeah, a bunny. Good job. Can we make a pattern? Horse, turtle, horse, turtle, horse. What is the next? That's correct. It's turtle. Else, can you say bye-bye to the farm?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye farm. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. All done. All done.